This is your morning moment. The key right now is about self-awareness. Self-awareness. Being aware, being tuned into your frequency. Each of us have a different story, a different world that we come from, different parents, different ancestral connections, and we're all going through a very interesting, strange, and wild time right now. So being self-aware, getting out of the zone of the hive mentality is really important right now, because those outside stressors are there right now. Many of us are dealing with what's going to happen with our work, what's going to happen to our income, how do we pay our rent, some really practical, tough things that we're all dealing with. So the first key to that is to tune into how you feel. What is your stress about, right? How are you actually feeling? And talk, write down things, write it down. Maybe not to send it to somebody else, but just write it down, journal. Think about the practices that we've been exercising and we've been introducing together and speaking about together for some time, and that is about shifting your consciousness, right? Being self-aware. So writing it down and putting it out into the universe, changing a frame of mind from one that's negative, feeling like a victim, to like, what are the positive steps that I can take? What are the positive steps that I can take to be more aware, to talk about how I really feel, and what are the coping mechanisms that I can put into play to deal with this? Because you're not alone, I'm not alone, we're all in it together. And that's the interesting, beautiful, and wildly wonderful thing about this moment, is that none of us are going through it alone. This is a global phenomenon, right? So we're actually understanding that we are one tribe. But it's a one tribe that each one of us connects to another, right? We've spoken about this beautiful net of consciousness. And I want to share with you this beautiful Buddha quote, and he says, "Do not dream of the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment." And we can do that together with meditation. We can do that together with positive action. Just do it. Don't just put it aside. Get in there, get quiet, breathe, and check into your own responses and what are your triggers are.